Personally, the way I look at it at this place is, I don't mind paying tax. No, that's not fair. I do mind paying the level of tax we pay. Right? That's not fair. I absolutely don't get me started on the national insurance contributions in April, because if I saw that's absolutely unbelievable. Yeah. But I don't mind the concept of paying tax on profit. Right? I think that's a healthy ecosystem. What I wouldn't do. And you do see this a lot of times when people have a big tax bill, all of a sudden they rock up in a new Ranger or this, that, I had a big tax bill, so well, okay, but like you just said, you're just throwing a bunch of money at the wall, then just...
You've got to pay for that.
So you still got, that's still your money that you said. But what I would look at is, look at some of your tools that might need updating, that are causing you issues. Is there any, you talk about camera equipment, things that, are there things that you can add into your asset sheet essentially that are going to either increase in value or make you more money or save you more time?
Like obviously I'm quite privileged, I get sent quite a lot of tools, so it doesn't make sense for me to go and buy a load of tools. Camera equipment for my media, that makes a bit more sense.
But that's part of your company, isn't it? That's
so
you can claim for that.
So if I went out and bought some camera equipment, that kind of does make sense for me because that's going to increase potentially more money for me.
Do you still use an editor for your stuff?
Well, I don't. Not for my
not TikTok,
not shorts, and I've uploaded probably 3 videos last year.
What you could do, because it's also about when the invoices go in, right? They've got to go in your financial year. Yeah. What you could do is, if you let's say you knew you were going to schedule out 10 videos over the next 12 months, right, long form, you could get your videographer to invoice you for those 10 videos now.